Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for joining me on this one, a very wet Saturday afternoon. So today we are looking at an unboxing installation of the IXIL or IXIL megaphone style or conical short exhaust, and in the new year we'll see if we can get a ride review in. I suspect the weather's going to get a lot worse though. Welcome to the installation part of the video. The only tools you're going to need are a 12mm ring spanner, a 12mm socket and a 10mm socket. It's a simple matter of slackening the hanger bolt first and removing the nut. Then slackening the Jubilee clamp enough so it's loose but does not come off. Then, whilst taking the weight of the exhaust, remove the bolt and washer, which we will be using again. With the heat shield in place, you don't need to remove this, just gently ease the exhaust away by a wiggling motion and gently pulling, and you should find it will gradually come away. Use a cloth to protect the swing arm during this process. Another thing you may find is that the gasket comes away inside the exhaust, so it's a good idea to order a replacement gasket from your dealer and then fit that. Just look at the difference in size. That must be at least 6 to 9 inches shorter, and the quality of the finish is so much better on the Ironhead. Now, place the supplied Jubilee clamp onto the exhaust, making sure the nut is facing you, and when roughly in the right position, gently place the exhaust over the graphite gasket. Making sure the bracket on the exhaust is behind the hanger bracket as shown. Now gently line these up, and lastly place the original bolt and washer to secure the bracket, and then attach the nut loosely. You can now safely tighten up the hanger bracket bolt and the washer as shown. Using the 10mm socket, tighten up the supplied Jubilee clamp. You will find that it requires a lot of tightening, as this clamp has not been tightened up before, and of course the exhaust has not been tightened up onto the link pipe before either. At this point, marvel at your handiwork and just double check that everything looks aligned and is nice and tight as shown. As you can see by the close-up, IXIL have decided to install a tamper-proof bolt into the exhaust, securing the DB killer. Now unfortunately I haven't got the appropriate tool to remove the DB killer on this test to do a demonstration and comparison of the sound difference. That will come later. What do we think of the look of that? Certainly sounds nice. It's now a nice gentle tick over. It certainly sounds very nice. I think that is definitely in keeping with the bike.
yeah, put it down in the comments, and be as respectful as you always are, of course. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm very grateful, and for all your support. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.